Okay, here we go with 7.2 part 3. Our example number 1 that we're going to work with. You can see we are going to be working with the product to sum formulas. So that's going to be at the very bottom of your trig identities worksheet. You'll also see on your blank form that there are no blanks for that one. Okay, so you can see that there are no blanks down there at that part. That is because we do not quiz you on those. You do not have to have those memorized. So on a test or anything else, you'll be given these formulas. So all you need to do is learn to follow the formulas along. All right, so if we have 20 sine of 50x, sine of 23x, then you look down on the product to sum formulas on your trig identity sheet, and you'll see sine A, sine B at the very top, and then remember that we were multiplying this by 20 as well. So we've got to do 20 times 1/2, and then cosine of A minus B, where A is 50x and B is 23x. So we're going to have cosine of 50x minus 23x, and then minus cosine of 50x plus 23x. Alright, so now we just need to go ahead and simplify everything. So inside our parentheses here, 50x minus 23x is going to be 27x. And then 50x plus 23x is going to be 73x. Okay, and then 20 times 1/2 is going to be 10. So we have 10 times cosine of 27x minus cosine of 73x. And then we want to get rid of as many parentheses as we can, so let's multiply that 10 through. So 10 cosine 27x minus 10 cosine 73x. And that is our solution for example number 1. Okay, moving right along to example number 2. Now we have 10 cosine of 30r cosine 22r equals, and we're just going to use our formulas again down here. So 10 cosine of 30r, so 10 times 1/2 cosine of a minus b, which 30r is a and 22r is b, so 30r minus 22r, then plus cosine of a plus b. Whoops, I want to plug those in, sorry. Following my formulas too closely. There we go. So 30r plus 22r. Alright, so let's go back and simplify that. So 30r minus 22r is going to give us 8r. And then here, 30 plus 22 is going to give us 52r. And then, I forgot a parenthesis. Alright, 10 times 1/2 is going to be 5 out in front. So 5 cosine of 8r plus cosine of 52r. And now we can multiply that 5 through. 5 cosine of 8r plus 5 cosine of 52r. And that's it for example number 2. Okay, so that's all that you need to know for part 3. Part 4 gets a little bit more difficult with this formula, and I will get a video up soon for that.